What the hell?
That's a mirror. Maybe.
Must be this way.
No, no.
No.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That's.
Wow. Far out.
Oh, Jesus. It opens up here too. That's cool.
Oh, wait.
That's hard, isn't it? Jesus.
Wow.
You wouldn't want to be a window cleaner.
This is freaking me out.
Try to sprint. Oh. Oh my god. You're pretty much, I keep just going, getting stuck. Go, run really fast.
No?
Oh, we're so fucking trapped. We're never getting out of here.
Oh my god.
Are we going back?
I don't know.
Oh no, I think we might be going back. Oh no, this is a different colour, yeah?
Yeah.
Jeez, oh what the? It's through here.
No, fuck.
Oh my god, what the hell is happening?
Seriously. I don't like it. Oh my god. What the
This is
hell?
awesome. You go through there. Holy crap. That was great.
I'm freaking out.
Awesome.
I'm freaking out, just saying. I feel like I'm gonna fall through the...
Yeah, that was unreal. Let me go through here.
Oh my god. What the hell?
Oh, you can touch stuff and stuff.
Wow. Oh, okay, something must go through there. Wow. Far out.
It stuff's messes with your senses, doesn't it?
Yeah, like, depth perception. Far out. Oh my gosh.
Something
I feel
different.
weird. Oh wait. Oh. What's going on? Where do we get? Oh my gosh.
Stay here for a little bit.
It's amazing. I like that.
Yeah.
The thing we went to Vegas, we went to Fremont Street the second time.
Yep.
And they had
The zip line.
the zip line, but then there was also the big display on the
On
roof.
the roof.
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
Look. That's a new one.
Mm. Oh my god, it's kind of giving me motion sickness. Keeps doing that, I might have to get it out. It's making me feel weird. Oh, this must be where we...
Yeah, that's come back full circle.
I think that's one of my favourites.
Yeah, I think I like that one.
That.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Alright. Pretty cool.
I don't understand the like flowers in the floor.
It should be a bit brighter.
I don't like the fact that you can see through the floor.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's trippy, isn't it?
It's very trippy.
I think we came at the perfect time. There's
I don't think there's going to be a tornado rush here.
no, I'm just saying there's no one else here.
Yeah, well, I don't think there's going to be many people. I'm just saying. Oh my god. I can't. Can you hold my hand? Oh my god.
Everywhere.
Oh my god. It feels. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to fall through the floor.
This is the most normal room.
Yeah, at least I don't feel like I'm going to fall through the floor.
Yeah.
Wow. Shit. This is trippy. I like this one. It's like jellyfishes.
Yeah. Like the avatar thing.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh wow. It's a farm. That's pretty.
Because I thought the metal art was separate.
Mm.
Yeah, awesome.
That plan has a layout of what everything is.
Yeah. I think that's actually the way. This is just a little. This is a bloody movie.
Wow.
I think that's it. Do you want to go through again?